Hi guys, we're in beautiful Formentera, south of Ibiza in the Balearic Islands, and we are on board our 26-foot catamaran called Kittiwake, and today we're going to take you with us snorkeling. Let's start with the gear. Because it's cold, it's early in the season, whilst it's 20-25 degrees outside, the water is still 18 degrees. So because we're going to stay in the water for quite a bit, we're going to wear wetsuits. On top of that, we're going to use fins. I think today we're going to go for snorkeling fins rather than diving fins. Obviously a mask with a snorkel. Because we're wearing a wetsuit and we're more buoyant, we'll need a diving weight as well so that we can actually get to the seabed and dive down. We're going to take our cameras so that we can show you around. If you're looking for gear, check out the dive section on Wetsuit Outlet. They've got all this sort of gear. Let's get ready and jump in the water.
Not the most glamorous bit of snorkeling.
It's gotta be done.
So it's not always that you can just go snorkeling straight off your boat. Sometimes you have to go in your dinghy and then go and park it ashore. Or if you've got an inflatable dinghy, you can dive straight off that. But here, there's enough snorkeling around here that we can just go straight off the back of our boat.
We checked on our anchor to make sure it was well dug in. Then we set off to explore our surroundings. We had fun testing our freediving skills. And took the chance to clear some rubbish off the seafloor. Don't forget to clean your gear in fresh water before you put it away. Follow our adventures with Wetsuit Outlet.